Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the Crew. I'm Rebecca and today we have a new Dollar Tree video for y'all to show you what's new and what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree store. We are located in the DFW area. I went to several different stores in the area, combined all the pictures I found today into one video and organize it by section. So let's go shopping and see what's new. We'll start with the apparel and accessories. They have these 6 pair of trouser socks by the brand Peds, and they have 6 pair. You can see here from the side. Some of them have different designs on them. You just kind of got to do a little bit closer check there. Then they have these eye masks. They have the one that say Beauty Sleep. They have those in 3 different colors. There's like a light lilac, a very pale blue, teal, and you can get the satin ones with the butterflies in the cream color or the black. And then we have these boy shorts by Crazy Coca-Cola. They have small, medium, and large. Over in the arts and crafts, they have 3 different sets of the watercolors. This is the metallic. Then they have the larger paint set with the 12 different colors on the palette. And then they have the square 12 different color palette. Also more of the diamond painting sheets, which I really enjoy. I think they work really well. They also have out these really large wall creation stickers, and they are the extra large flowers by Main Street. You can see they are front and back on these large cards, and I want to say they're about 9 inches around for the really large ones. They also have a bunch of different colors of the lilies and some iris flower bundles out. There are these really pretty light blue, and then they have some with a lavender kind of color with the yellow center. They also have these flowers called the Alstroemeria, and they are these flowers here. They have the yellow and white, the really pale pink. They have peach with the green center. Also tons of different pansies in different bundles of colors. You've got the blue and yellow bundle. They also have the purple and white with the yellow, and then the purple and pink. There's some close-ups. You can see the different variations and all the colors of the bundles. Also, they had these flowers called Cosmos. They have the bright yellow center. I really like these as how realistic they look. You can see all the different colors they have. Those pale pink are really beautiful. Then there were these mini rose bushes, which were really pretty. They have all these mini roses on them. There was the orange, the dark pink. There's also yellow, a very pale pink. They had a very light purple and white. You get about 6 flowers on each bundle, different sizes. And these have kind of like an ombre look. They fade from like a lighter color to a darker color on the ends, which make them look so realistic. There's the light pink. They've also restocked these large wood round decor pieces that you can DIY and paint. There's like the winter scene with the mountains, the sunshine. They have the large tree with all the birds, and the mermaid tail with the wave and the sunset. The beaded wreaths, those have been restocked. Also these wooden boxes, those are the nesting style. They come in about 3 different sizes, and you can see they just get smaller as they fit inside of each other. The baby toddler section, there really wasn't a whole lot new this week. They did have these flip top sippy cups with the straw and the 2 handles on either side. I could not find out if they were spill proof or not. The tag did not say. The baby bunny books with the shape cutouts, those are always fun. They also have these animal shaped flashcards that have different things about like what the animal sounds make. And then they had some that were shaped for the different numbers and for counting. I thought those were real cute with the shapes. There's the spelling flashcards, which you can wipe clean, use with a dry erase marker. Over in the health and beauty section, we have some new cosmetic items this week. Lots of these modern French nail sets. These are the neon nails in the purple. They also had the modern French that has the cheetah print up at the top. There's a long length shape with the coffin, and it has the warm pink undertones. There is the modern nostalgia, has the checkerboard, smiley face, and daisies. Then the modern art that has some decorative stripes and a couple different colors there. You get 30 nails in those packs. The classy premium nails, you get 24. Then I found more of these eyeshadow palettes. It says Love, Peace, and Groovy Shades, and it has all the different shades there that you can see for just $1.25. I also found these mini OPI Nail lacquer, you get 2 bottles. This is a really great brand, usually pretty expensive. So the $1.25 for the 2-pack is pretty good. They are the mini sizes, but still a pretty good buy for the price and the brand that you're getting. They're just kind of mixed and matched in each packet. It looks like they just took a bunch of randoms and put them together in different packs. Lots of blues, purples, lime green, clear, and they had like a light teal blue, a lilac. Over in the hair care and hair accessories, there are these gorgeous scrunchies in this light blue with the flowers and a little bit of gold accent. You can also get this fashion hair clip with the bow. There's the clip on the back. It's the large alligator style clip for the $1.25. Then they have the headband that coordinates, or you can get it in this other color here. It is the pink background with the kind of like a mossy green color, and the gold, a little bit of a terracotta, and the light pink background. And you can also get the scrunchie, the bow, and the headband. The Scunchie brand has out these mini claw clips with the pearls. These are so cute. You get them in a 4-pack. And you either get that 1-pack there. This one has like a star, a heart, and then the 2 mini claw clips. They have some that look like bows, hearts, and mini crowns. Over in the pharmacy and personal care section, more of the bath sets. They have the magnolia and honey bath salts with the brightening serum. And then there's the magnolia and honey body wash. This is the hydrating body scrub, the exfoliator. They also have it in the jasmine and green tea. And these are by the Global Beauty Care brand. Again, you've got the exfoliating bath scrub, the body wash, and the bath salts. And I just love the packaging on these. Then we've got these bath fizzers by Body Raves. They have this little fire truck in the watermelon scent. You can also get it in blue. That one has like a cement mixer. They have a bulldozer, and they're all watermelon scents. For the fun finds this week, we have the compact mirrors by Sassy Chic. And there is a mirror on the top and the bottom, one for close-ups, one for just a regular view. They have them in blue, pink, and purple. Also, we have the silicone straw covers in the 4-pack. It fits a 10mm straw. There is the kind of like a Polaroid camera in pink. And this straw topper says good vibes only. They have the Be Nice with the sun and the rainbow in the background and the smiling daisy. And again, that is a 4-pack. Over in the home decor, they have these colorful vases in the yellow, purple, green, and pink. Some new photo frames. I love these. They're plastic, but they look wood. They have this weathered look to them with the beaded border. They had those in white and in black with the weathered look. You can also get them in a light gray. They have the arched photos in a 4x6, white and black, and then they have more of these mini cardboard boxes with the drawers. It's the 2-count drawers. You can stack these and make them as large as you want for like storing little jewelry and trinkets and things like that. They always have these really pretty decorative covers. Also, some framed art with the cross. They have some large cross magnets. As we get closer to Easter, they'll probably keep putting out more of these type of items. Then we have the home library, office supplies, and teaching tree section. They have lots of these new journals, which I like that they have this magnetic closure on the outside of the booklet. And you can see it's got just a regular traditional striped notebook paper, but you've got that closure on the side, and it is magnetic. And they had quite a few different covers that were very decorative and pretty. They have different sayings on the front, like Bible verses and things like that. And then they brought back these journals, which they have out usually around back to school time. There's the California. It's got the striped paper with the decorative pages with the palm trees. Also Colorado. That one has the pine trees. Some of the pages have mountains on them. Yellowstone National Park. And they also have one for Lake Michigan. All the pages are decorated. Then we've got the giant coloring books with the sticker sheets. You get these extra large stickers. There's 24 stickers in each book. They have the nautical theme, the safari and the princess with the unicorn there. So you can see the safari. They have these extra large stickers. You get 24 on that first page. These nice big stickers. And I'm talking they're like probably about 2 by 4. They're pretty big. They get lots of really nice stickers. There's the sea theme. And then, of course, you've got the princess theme, the extra large pages with the nice big large coloring spaces. And there's a couple games and word finds in there, but there's lots of pages to color. It's not just all games. Over in the Housewares home maintenance storage organization electronics, we've got the Natural Breeze Peach and Lavender air freshener. They also have one that's called Sweet Rain and Ocean Breeze. Those are new for spring. They brought back this pillow spray with the lavender by Personal Care. That is a very popular item. I know they sell out pretty quickly around here. They also have these large plastic bins with the floral cutout in the side. These were out early spring, so I was surprised to see these back again this week, but they do have them in the gray, the sage green, the kind of like a blue gray color, and a very pale pink. There's also these extra large baskets. They have the wired bins in all of the colors. You could either get the rectangle or the round bin. They have the shoe boxes with the snap-on lids that coordinate. And they also have the miniature little containers. There's a 6 count. These large baskets in the primary colors, red, yellow, blue, and green. Then over in the kitchen and pantry section, they have more of the Babish items. They have the fine ceramic mug for soup. It says soup, salad, and breadsticks. And it is decorated on the inside and the outside. They had some more of the coffee mugs. There's a couple different ones. They were all in these large boxes. And they had the rust-resistant cast iron trivet as well. Those were over by the cake pans and like the pizza pans. I found more of these charger plates in the clear with the gold rim. And they had these Sure Fresh bowls. You get 4 of them in 4 different sizes with the lid. And they are the nesting style bowls. So you can fit them all inside of each other for easy storing. Over in the party supplies this week, they had a bunch of these party favors. These are whistles. You get 6 of them in the pastel colors. They had these little miniature fan whistles and the Pop It catching ball game. You get 4 of those. Then they had the confetti bubble balloons. So these are 12 inches in diameter. It has the confetti already filled in the balloon. They have them in pink, blue, and gold. The gold one has the clear balloon. That's the gold and the silver confetti. Then they have the 20 count latex balloons. They're 12 inches in the solid colors, and they had a bunch of different bags of different colors there. Over in the pet care, really not a lot new this week, but they did have this catnip toy, which looks like Oreos. It looks like a glass of milk and an Oreo cookie. So I thought those were kind of fun for $1.25. They also had more of the Dole biscuits. They're strawberry and banana. And they're just a traditional dog biscuit, and more of the tennis ball toys. For the seasonal items, again, there wasn't a whole lot new. They're putting out more of their summer and spring items. They have these large metal signs that say welcome, the bumblebee pinwheels, which were really cute. I love how they added faces to them this year. I thought that was pretty cute. They have their badminton rackets in the blue and the red for the $1.25. And you can also get the packs of birdies. I believe you get 4 in a pack. They have the graduation cap decorations. This one says class dismissed. They're just a thin piece of cardboard which will fit over top of the mortar board. They also have on to the next chapter. This one has a little bit of glitter to it. And then I found this one here. It says the tassel was worth the hassle with the stars. This one also has some gold glitter. They had some Teacher Appreciation Day items like these picture frames that say Blessed Teacher with the clear border. And they hold a 4x6 photo. Over in the Dollar Tree Plus section, which is anything that costs more than $1.25, we've got the stackable drawers. They are $5 each. I only saw them in the color white. We've also got the 2-piece of the solar step lights for $5. It says that they are 1 lumen. They have the solar power mushroom lights. Those are come in a 10 count pack for $5. There's these wireless headphones with the Bluetooth compatible. They have them in several different colors. And here's a view of what it looks like on the side of the box here through the plastic. They also have these large boom speakers, also Bluetooth compatible, some fun pillows. They have the rainbow Easter egg and the large fuzzy bolster pillows in black, blue, and purple. There's the black one. They're nice and fluffy, very soft. They have some more travel pillows. We've got the unicorn, the penguin, and they also have a sloth. Those are really nice. They feel like they're filled with the microfiber fluff there. The car trunk organizers, those are $5 each. They also have the car seat organizer, the 4-port car chargers. It will charge the Type C chargers. They have these $3 6-piece slime-filled eggs. That's all the different rainbow slime. They have some of the mini mitts. It's a set of 2 for $5 with the silicone grip. And those are all the Easter theme. It's good up to 450 degrees. The Easter windows that say Easter blessings and Happy Easter with the little Easter bunny and flowers. And that's probably the last restock we'll see of those this season. And that's all for today's video. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed seeing it. Don't forget to check out our DIY Dollar Tree craft review video that we posted yesterday. And I hope y'all have a lovely weekend. I'll see you back here on Tuesday.